Think your RV can't survive off-grid without noisy generators and constant power stress? Stay with me. Today, we reveal the top 5 best RV solar panel kit with battery and inverter that bring freedom, comfort, and true adventure. Welcome to the channel. Check the links in the description and choose your perfect solar companion. At number 5 is eco-worthy 200 watt. Most RV owners don't realize this until the first blackout night. Your trip doesn't fail because of bad weather, it fails because your power setup wasn't ready. That's where eco-worthy 200 watt changes the story. Built for people chasing reliable off-grid freedom, this beginner-friendly solar kit brings together 2 durable 100-watt monocrystalline panels, a long-life Life 4 battery, and a 600-watt pure sine wave inverter that feels far more practical than flashy. It delivers around 800 watt-hour daily with good sunlight, enough for lights, fans, charging laptops, and small appliances, making it a strong fit for campers, trailers, cabins, and weekend RV travelers. The biggest frustration buyers face is wasted money on mismatched components, but this setup solves that with balanced compatibility and simple installation. Compared to a starter kit, eco-worthy feels more budget-conscious, though the included PWM controller is less efficient than MPPT options. Still, for users wanting dependable solar independence without overwhelming complexity, this kit quietly earns trust where it matters most. At number 4 is VTOMAN 3096 watt-hour. One silent night without power can turn the perfect RV trip into pure frustration, and that's exactly why bigger capacity matters more than people think. The VTOMAN 3096 watt-hour setup is built for travelers who refuse to compromise on comfort. With expandable storage, an 1800-watt pure sine wave inverter, and surge handling up to 3600 watt, it easily supports refrigerators, coffee makers, laptops, heaters, and emergency backup without constant battery anxiety. Its Life PO4 battery, with over 3,000 life cycles, brings long-term confidence, while the included solar charging option makes off-grid living feel practical instead of stressful. The Jumpstart feature adds real roadside value, especially for truck and SUV owners who want one system doing 2 jobs. Compared with another setup, VTOMAN feels more budget-friendly and offers strong constant power performance, though others usually win on faster charging speed and app control. Some users praise its reliability, while others report battery drop issues and weaker support, so expectations should stay balanced. For serious RV users, this system feels like preparation, not luxury. Number 3 is ExpertPower 200 watt. Most people don't regret buying solar for their RV, they regret buying the wrong kit and learning that lesson in the middle of nowhere. The ExpertPower 200 watt setup speaks directly to that frustration. It combines 2 100-watt monocrystalline panels, a Life PO4 battery, and a smart 20-ampere PWM controller into a clean starter system built for campers, trailers, boats, and weekend off-grid escapes. What stands out first is battery confidence. With 2,500 to 7,000 life cycles, built-in BMS protection, and low-temperature cutoff, it feels far more dependable than older lead-acid setups. Installation is simple, which matters for first-time buyers tired of confusing wiring and mismatched parts. Compared with a starter kit, ExpertPower feels more beginner-focused and battery-friendly, though others often offer stronger MPPT options for higher charging efficiency. The PWM controller is the trade-off here, especially for users chasing maximum solar harvest. Still, for light RV living and reliable backup power, this kit delivers calm instead of complications. At number 2 is ACOPOWER 200 watt mono. Most RV owners discover too late that cheap solar kits don't fail on day 1, they fail when you need them most, miles away from shore power. That's where the ACOPOWER 200 watt mono kit feels reassuringly practical. With a full setup that includes a 200 watt monocrystalline panel, 30 ampere MP charge controller, cables, brackets, and easy pre-drilled installation, it removes the usual headache of buying separate parts and hoping they work together. The real standout is the MPP controller, pushing power transfer up to 30% more efficiently than older PWM systems, which matters when cloudy weather steals charging time. It works beautifully for RV owners, boat users, cabins, and backup home power where quiet, steady energy matters more than oversized promises. Compared with a basic starter kit, ACOPOWER feels smarter for long-term efficiency, though its upfront cost can be slightly higher. If you want cleaner charging, simpler setup, and fewer off-grid surprises, this system feels like a decision your future self will appreciate. Now moving to the last one is eco-worthy 400 watt. Power disappears faster than patience on the road, and nothing ruins an RV trip like a dead battery before sunset. That is exactly where the eco-worthy 400 watt setup starts making real sense. Designed for travelers who want dependable off-grid living, it delivers around 1.6 kilowatt-hour daily in solid sunlight, enough for a refrigerator, TV, coffee maker, lights, and even short microwave use. The upgraded MHIP controller is a major win, tracking up to 99% efficiency and performing far better than older PWM systems, especially on cloudy days. Its lithium battery, with over 3,000 deep cycles, adds the kind of long-term confidence most buyers look for when choosing an RV solar panel kit with battery and inverter. Compared to other systems, eco-worthy feels more budget-friendly and beginner-friendly, though others often win on premium finish and support. This kit is ideal for RV owners, cabins, and backup home use who want strong daily power without building a complicated system from scratch. Eco-worthy 400 watt is the clear winner because it delivers the best balance of power, efficiency, and real RV independence among all 5 options. Unlike smaller 200 watt kits such as eco-worthy 200 watt, ExpertPower, and ACOPOWER, it provides much higher daily output to run essential appliances without stress. Compared to VTOMAN 3096 watt-hour, it is more practical and less bulky for RV installation. With MPP efficiency and strong solar performance, it gives reliable off-grid energy, making it the smartest choice for long-term RV living and travel freedom. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best RV solar panel kit with battery and inverter. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.